The GST Council meeting in Delhi, and the big takeaway, well, no tax cut yet on health and life insurance. This, remember, had been a hugely contentious issue. Various opposition leaders, in fact, talking about how there should be tax exemption when it comes to health and life insurance, like Mamata Banerjee. In fact, Nitin Gadkari also talked about tax cuts on health and life insurance, but no relief yet. But an important takeaway also, that gene therapy will now be completely exempted from GST. Let's quickly listen in to what Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had to say.
Health insurance related GOM work also requires more time, so they have gone to take more time. Insurance, and therefore the insurance regulators' input is awaited. IRDAI, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authorities, inputs have not come, so the GOM felt that it needed a bit more time. The rate rationalization, GOM, also needs more time. Uska report final nahi hua hai. Ye speculation mein please mat भाग लेना, क्योंकि कमिटी का काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है.
Let me go across to my colleague Himanshu Shekhar. Sir, what is taking the government so long to take a final call on tax cuts on health and life insurance?
Well, we do know that some states have reservations. See, it's a question, it's an issue on which the states have to agree to take a revenue hit. And there are state governments who are not ready to take this revenue hit, because remember, when the GST goes down, the revenue income of states also will be affected. So lots of calculations are being done whether they can be offset by some other provision. But for the moment, FM has said on record that the regulator, the insurance regulator, called the Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, is yet to submit its inputs before the GOM, which is examining this issue. And once the IRDAI submits its report, a decision will be taken. There was also a decision expected on rate rationalization, but again, FM has said that the GOM, which is looking at the GST rate rationalization, that is restructuring of the GST rates, is still examining this issue. It needs more time. So some very big decisions that were expected were not taken today. But I think there are some very important pro-people, pro-poor decisions that were taken, Vedant. First, of course, a reduction in GST on fortified rice kernels to 5%. Importantly, as you said, the GST totally exempted on gene therapy. And third, the GST reduced on food items which are meant for food preparation, which goes for free distribution to the poor. So there will be no GST on that as well. No ATF, no GST on ATF, no ATF under GST, because there was again a lot of debate on bringing petrol, diesel and ATF within the ambit of GST. But again, states are not ready to accept this.